National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for until 3:15 p.m. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Holland County in north central Texas, northeastern Dallas County in north central Texas, western Rockwall County in north central Texas until 3:15 p.m. At 2:12 p.m., a severe thunderstorm with a history of producing damaging tornadoes was 6 miles west of Sunnyvale, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. This is a dangerous storm. Seek shelter now. The tornado will be near Garland, Rowland, and Heath around 2:20 p.m. Parker around 2:35 p.m. A tornado has been confirmed with this storm. This is an extremely dangerous situation. If you are in the path of this destructive storm, take cover immediately. Between mile markers 32 and 36. To protect your life, take cover now. Move underground or to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. County in north central Texas, northeastern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 3 p.m. At 2:15 p.m. National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 7 miles west of Whitney State Park, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Lake Whitney State Park around 2:20 p.m., Whitney around 2:25 p.m., Lum around 2:35 p.m., Covington around 2:05 p.m., Itasca around 2:55 p.m. If you are caught outside, seek shelter in a strong building and stay inside, away from windows until the storm has passed. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Tuesday.